This is Mike's Minute for the week of January 22nd, 2018. Hi everyone. This is the weekly Microsoft News Wrap. This week we'll be talking about Microsoft outlines Windows Update model using System Center Configuration Manager, Microsoft's newest Windows Server test build adds new storage, failover, and clustering updates, and Microsoft challenges Chromebooks with $189 Windows 10 laptops for schools. We will be right back with the news. Microsoft outlines Windows Update model using System Center Configuration Manager. Microsoft kicked off a video series describing how to update Windows 10 using System Center Configuration Manager recently. The nature of the updates for Windows, Internet Explorer, and .NET Framework and how they get updated monthly is outlined. The article describes how both Windows 10 systems and older Windows operating systems get updated. For Windows 10, Microsoft is trying to move its customers away from selectively choosing which patches to apply each month utilizing automation. However, this can lead to problems. Windows 10 updates follow a cumulative model where a monthly update release contains prior patches. Microsoft started the cumulative update scheme when they launched Windows 10. There were 9 update types that were identified in the article. Critical update, a widely released fix for non-security software flaws. Definition update, a widely released update to a definitive database. Drivers, an update to the system that manages hardware. Security update, a widely released fix for a software vulnerability. Service pack, a between version cumulative update that largely applies to legacy or older software. Tool update, an update to a utility software program. Security only update, an update released each month that contains all of the security updates for that month, but which is not cumulative. Monthly rollup, a set of cumulative updates that includes both security and reliability updates. Preview of monthly rollup, a tested cumulative set of new quality updates packaged together for distribution in the next month, containing what was included in the prior month, but excluding security updates. Updates are cumulative for Windows 10 and Windows Server 2016. The updates typically arrive on Update Tuesday or the second Tuesday of the month. Update releases get more complicated for Windows 7, Windows 8.1, Windows Server 2008, and Windows Server 2012 or 2012 R2 systems. They have standalone and cumulative patch options. The .NET Framework also has such options. If you have any good info to help an organization manage the new updates, please drop them in the comments below. I know at Method 180, we struggle on Patch Tuesdays as our users are unable to use their laptops for long periods of time as the updates install. For more information, please visit the Redmond Magazine article at the following link. Microsoft released a new test build of Windows Server 1803 to insider testers on January 16th. Windows Server 17074 includes some enhancements to Storage Spaces Direct or STD and failover clustering. As server users may recall, STD didn't make it into Windows Server 1709, allegedly because it wasn't meeting quality standard. Microsoft is hoping to add it back into the coming 1803 release. Storage Spaces Direct spans Windows Server clusters and create a bus which allows all the servers in a cluster to see each other's local drives. STD was introduced as a feature of Windows Server 2016 and described by Microsoft as the foundation for a hyper-converged platform. In Preview Build 17074, Microsoft removes the requirement for SCSI enclosure services for STD to be compatible, which unlocks a new breadth of new hardware which was not capable of running STD, says a Microsoft blog post. If you're interested in the new features, you can read the ZDNet article here. Microsoft is really pushing for schools to keep using Windows this week. They're launching new Windows 10 and Windows 10S devices that are priced starting at just $189. The software giant is also partnering with BBC, LEGO, NASA, PBS, and Pearson to bring a variety of mixed reality and video curricula to the schools. Lenovo has created a $189 100E laptop. It's based on Intel's Celeron Apollo Lake chips, so it's a low-cost netbook designed for schools. Lenovo is also introducing its 300E, a 2-in-1 laptop with pen support priced at $279. The Lenovo devices are joined by two from HP with a Windows Hello laptop priced at $199 and a pen and touch device at $299. All four laptops will be targeted towards education, designed to convince schools not to switch to Chromebook. Part of Microsoft's school push is related to content for teachers to use with these laptops. Microsoft is planning to release a new chemistry update for Minecraft Education Edition this spring. It will focus on experimentation like building compounds or tackling stable isotopes. It's a free update for everyone using the Education Edition of Minecraft. Microsoft is also tweaking Word for Mac, Outlook Desktop, and OneNote for iPad or the Mac to include a new immersive reader that helps with reading and writing. Microsoft is also making some mixed reality content available for both the HoloLens and the range of Windows mixed reality headsets. Pearson, the world's largest education company, will start distributing a new curriculum in March that will work on HoloLens. In addition, they will release new apps for students. Microsoft has announced that students can receive a 10% discount on HoloLens to tempt schools into trying out its augmented reality headset. Windows mixed reality headsets will still be the cheaper option for schools though. Method 180 knows that the education market and developers, remember that famous Steve Ballmer video? Developers were key to Microsoft's market dominance in the late 90s. For many years, Microsoft lost focus on this market where our kids learn and choose their platforms early in life. It appears Microsoft is trying to reconnect with students and hoping to develop another generation of workers who grow up with and love Microsoft products. Time will see if this push is too late or if companies like Google and Facebook can break into Microsoft's enterprise dominance with the next generation of workers. This story is located on TheVerge.com at the following link. And that's this week's Microsoft News Wrap-Up. If you enjoyed, please leave a comment below or like our post.